What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm gonna give you an update about the Wolf Capital. Okay, guys, this project it's booming. Okay, so total investments 5.1 million bucks. Okay, TVL currently is 65K. Total users 2005 users. Total teams 125 teams. Okay. So what is Wolf Capital? Okay, essentially Wolf Capital it's an ROI DApp where you stake your USDC and in return you will earn up to 1.5% daily. Okay, the way this project is being able to be sustainable this far is over 90 days old. Okay, is because the team behind the scenes they are doing trades, they are using trading bots to generate yields to pay investors. Okay, that's how they are being able to sustain this project. Okay, total USDC staked 4.6 mil. Okay, right. So there is also a referral system where there is a win-win situation for everybody. Okay. So once you join the platform, okay, you will have your referral link, and then once you share the referral link with someone else, okay, that person will earn 1.5% from their deposit, and you will earn 1.5%. Okay, so each one of you will receive 1.5%. So it's going to be a win-win situation. And now and then they do some cashbacks. Okay, so now and then they do 3% cashbacks on 2,000 bucks stakes and above. Okay, they also have the wolf packs battles. Okay, where the team that makes the highest deposit during 1 week will win this prize pool. So the current prize pool is 17.9K, okay, which is a lot. Okay, and this prize pool will be redistributed for every um, single team member that wins this battle. Okay, scrolling further down, we have the FAQs. Okay, so a few things that you should know. So minimum deposits 10 USDC, maximum is 100,000 per wallet. Okay, and platform fees 10%. So 10% right there. Okay, so how often can you withdraw your profits? So you can withdraw your profits every 7 days, and then once you reach 10 days, there will be accumulation cutoff. So that means you will stop earning your rewards after 10 days. So you'll have to take action. Essentially, you'll have to claim your rewards so you can continue earn more rewards. Okay, so once you come to this project and stake, your stake's going to be locked for 60 days. Okay, so what will my stake continue to generate yield after 60 days? Yes, your stake will continue to generate yield even after the initial 60-day period is over. Okay, and scrolling further down we can see more questions and answers. Okay, so let's go over to stake and let's see what's up. By the way, guys, this new UI, okay, was updated. I think was updated over the weekend or so, something like that. Okay, I don't really know when was the updated, but this is the UI. Okay, so I'm currently on the Pelton Pack member. Okay, so they have 177 members. Okay, the top three top three Wolfpack teams, they are full, they are maxed out. So you'll have to pick the ones below those uh, top Wolfpack teams. Okay, so, how do you get started? Okay, very simple. You come over here. So, for example, you type in 10 USDC. If you want to test it out, you hit deposit. So, remember, every time you hit deposit and you deposit in a stable coin, you'll have to approve that you're going to deposit the stable coin, in this case 10 USDC. Okay, and then you deposit. There will be two gas fees. Over here we have a calculator. So for example, if you deposit 10 USDC, okay, actually it's going to be 9 because you're going to pay a tax. Okay, and over here you can see how much you will earn. Okay, cool. and it doesn't show you from day one. It doesn't show you from day one, but you get the daily profit right there. Okay, so after 60 days, your total profit will be this one. Okay, so it will take you 74 days to ROI. Okay, so 74 days, you will have your money back. Okay, so you'll have your initial back, plus you can unstake your deposit. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see my portfolio, my stats. Okay, my stat: total deposit, total withdrawn, current staked, daily earnings. And over here, we have a cool feature, which is the claim feature. Because, if you do the 50-50 strategy, as many people are doing, okay, eventually you will have lots of stakes, okay, and then instead of claiming one by one, or the ones that are available, you can come over here, okay, and hit claim, and then the platform automatically will claim the available stakes. Okay, so as you can see right here, my strategy is, so every 3 days I come over here and make a claim. Okay, so I stake this one first, I waited 3 days, stake this one, waited 3 days, and stake this one. Okay, 3 days later, I claim these two. Okay, well, actually this one, and then claim this one, and then 3 more days, I will be able to claim this one, and then the next week or next 3 days, I'll be able to claim these two. As you can see right here, the hours, the countdown timer is very close to each other. Okay, so on my next week, the one after this one, I will be able to claim these two in a row. Okay, and then I will do the 50-50 strategy, and then I will have another stake under these two. Okay, and I will be able to stake 3 stakes at once. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna play this system. Okay, but everybody has their own strategy. So once the 60-day timer is over, as you can see right here, I've got 48 days to go. Okay, I'll come over here, I'll be able to come over here and unstake if I want to. If not, I'll just let it roll and will continue to earn my rewards. And they also mentioned something on the last AMA. Okay, on the 30th of this month, they are going to release some NFTs. Okay, so I didn't catch the whole thing, the whole AMA, but they are going to release some NFTs, and there will be 3 tiers: tier 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the top 2 tiers, okay, there will be benefits for the people that buy those NFTs. Okay, but if you are interested in these projects or in those NFTs, okay, I would highly recommend to stay close to the TG group, where you can find all the information. And also, if you want to check the tradings, how the tradings are performing, you can see a channel dedicated just for the tradings, trading results, etc. Okay, guys, so that being said, guys, this is my update in regards to the Wolf Capital. Okay, the project keeps on growing, and more users are becoming aware of this project. That's why the total users is growing. Okay, that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.